What's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to show you the unboxing of the Sena 30K. Yes, I know there are more advanced options available from both Sena and other companies. However, I'm really excited for this because I've never had a communicator on the side of my helmet. Well, strictly speaking, that is not true. I had the Sena 10C, which I used as my helmet camera at the beginning of my YouTube channel. Camera wasn't brilliant, but the audio that I collected was really good because of the noise cancelling features. However, I've never used it as a communicator or to talk to other riders because generally speaking, I go out riding on my own. Anyway, yes. So yeah, we're going to get this open, we're going to see what's in the box. This is not a technical review, so please don't give me any grief in the comments. It's just me getting the box open. Let's see what's like. It's like Christmas for me. Carry a knife, save a life. I don't know why I want a saw. So, let's get in the box. So yeah, I used the 10C for a few years as my helmet cam. Like I said, the camera isn't brilliant. There are more advanced camera communication systems available from Sena. I'm making this look really hot. Available from Sena, but I'm using GoPros now and I'm staying with the GoPros because, well, they're better. So, nice, fancy, schmancy box. I'm going to close that before I hurt myself. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. So, any company that spends this much on packaging is wasting money. Or basically it's passing it on to us. So, nice bit of foam. So let's have a look. That is Gucci. So people have probably seen one of these before. It is not new to the market, but it is definitely lighter. Okay, so jog dial. So you got, let me show you the camera. So we've got the jog dial, same as the other one, same as the 10C, and we've got the phone button and the on and off button back and forward. And I take it that's the antenna. So that is cool. So because I'm running the Arai, I'll need to figure out how I'm going to get this on the helmet, but a lot of packaging. Okay, so we have obviously the helmet clamp, which slides into the helmet. This is not, like I say, this is not going to be a fitting. Speakers, and I'm taking it. This microphone will come off so we can use, say, the wired mic. That will fit in better on the inside of the Arai. So, sticky clamp, spaces for your inside your helmet if your speakers are recessed too far, spongy winges, an extension cable by the looks of it, charger or charging cable, the wired mic with and then there's another microphone here, which is another boom mic, which is slightly shorter. So try and figure out which one I'm going to use in the Arai. But like I say, the reason for getting this is because basically I'm going to see if I can do some dual vlogs this year, and we'll talk about how I'm going to record the audio from other riders. It's not going to be the usual way of collecting everybody's memory cards and then trying to edit X amount of riders' stuff. So yeah, I'm excited to get this on the helmet along with the other accessories that I've bought, so stay tuned for the next one.